Hey guys, and welcome back to the Laws of Physio YouTube page. It's your boy Lawrence checking in. Today we're going to go through a case I saw a couple weeks back. But before we do that, I'm just going to thank our sponsor for today's video. Today's video was sponsored by my lovely lady lumps. Damn. So LG was a beauty therapist that came into the clinic complaining about low back pain when running. LG was of average height, average weight, and was young and active. Every week LG would resistance train multiple times, would attend boot camp, and compete in OzTag. While performing diagnostic tests with LG, I found that there was an overactivation of the spinal erector muscles and an underactivation of the glute muscles. This is a common occurrence that happens. So what was happening was during a hip extension movement, which is the common movement you do while running and walking, LG would be activating the back muscles instead of the glute muscles. The glute muscles are meant to be the main muscle that activates when doing a hip extension movement. So if they're weak or they're overactive or there's no control there, you'll end up running with your back muscles. Given that most of the back muscles are endurance muscles, they will get sore from this kind of load, which will give you pain when running. This is the exercise program that I gave to LG to build up the glute or the booty. Hey guys, and it's time to go through the exercise program that I gave LG. Time to work on that booty. Oh yeah. So for this program, I did provide LG with a resistance band like I'm showing here. Make sure to tie it up in a loop. I like to wear pants because the resistance bands really hurt and pull on your leg hair, which is not fun, and it will not give you a wax, it will just hurt. This exercise is called the clam. So lying on your side, technically not your side, more 3/4, and I'll explain that in a bit. You're going to bend your knees, keeping your feet together, and just slowly opening your legs. While doing this, I like to stick my finger just on my butt cheek, my glutes, just to feel the muscle activating. So the reason I said 3/4 is you want to kind of tilt forward a little bit. This way you're using more your glute muscles, your glute medius, than your ITB. So if you're finding this very easy and you don't really feel a burn in your butt, it means you're cheating and using your thigh. So stop that right now and lean forward just a little bit, kind of like you're almost going to kiss the ground, and try it again. The range of motion of this exercise is very small. So give it a go and feel the burn. This is an exercise that I do recommend every day. I keep the reps very high, about 25 reps, and I like to do 4 sets because 4 times 12 is 48 and 4 times 25 is 100. Quick math. On a serious note, I like to keep the glute reps very high because your glutes are meant to be very strong, and in our lifestyle, people aren't walking enough, so you can't really overdo your glutes. It's very normal to feel like this is extremely painful, but just keep at it and you'll build slowly. If you do feel pain, just stop, but it should feel very uncomfortable and very burny. after a couple of reps of this, I like to go into a circuit. So the next exercise would be a glute bridge, keeping the band there just because we have it. You're going to bring your heels close to your butt, positioning your feet a little bit wider than your hips, and you're going to push through your heels and squeeze your butt as you thrust into the air. After that, I like to complement it with a box walk. So a box walk is walking slightly wider than you normally would, with a loop or resistance band around your knees. The reason we're using the loops is this is going to force you to abduct your legs, which means open your legs. Your glutes work to extend your hip, to abduct your legs, and to externally rotate. So by forcing one of these movements as you perform the other movement, it increases the amount of muscle activation in that specific region, which is your glutes here. Because we are very fatigued from the clams, I'm only doing about 10 to 12 reps here, complementing it with about 10 to 12 steps of the box walk. This whole time doing this exercise program, it should be very easy on your back. You should feel like your glutes are on fire. So give these exercises a go if you want to make some booty gains, and we'll see how LG went with this program. LG felt better pretty much straight away after implementing this program, and after 4 weeks was able to run without pain. This was awesome because it led to LG competing in the men's final OzTag game and winning the comp. Good job, bro. And that's it for this case. Let me know if you like this kind of video. Please give me any feedback. It would be greatly appreciated in the comments. If you like what I'm doing, leave us a like. If you want to see more, please subscribe. It really helps us out. Catch you guys later.